Gardening should be relaxing, enjoyable, and comfortable for everyone, especially older adults who want easy tools. Best Garden Hose for Seniors helps reduce strain with lightweight design, flexible handling, and simple storage. In this video, we'll explore top options that make watering effortless and stress-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Pocket Hose 75 FT Garden Hose. The Pocket Hose 75 FT Garden Hose is designed for convenience, making it a practical choice for seniors who want a lightweight and easy-to-manage watering solution. Unlike traditional bulky hoses, this model expands automatically when water flows through it and shrinks back to a compact size once the water is turned off. This feature greatly reduces lifting effort and makes storage simple, especially for users who prefer minimal physical strain while gardening. Built with durable aluminum connectors and a strong outer layer, the hose offers solid performance without adding unnecessary weight. The copper-colored exterior gives it a premium appearance while also helping protect the inner tube from wear. With a maximum pressure rating of 650 psi, it delivers consistent water flow suitable for watering plants, washing patios, or cleaning outdoor furniture. The 75-foot length provides excellent reach across medium to large gardens without requiring frequent repositioning. Seniors will appreciate how flexible the hose remains during use, preventing tangles and reducing frustration. Its lightweight construction makes carrying and maneuvering effortless compared to heavy rubber hoses. Overall, the Pocket Hose offers an ideal balance between durability, flexibility, and ease of use, making everyday watering tasks more comfortable and manageable for older gardeners seeking simplicity and reliability. Number 2. Flexi 8-Function Nozzle Garden Hose. The Flexi 8-Function Nozzle Garden Hose stands out as an easy-handling solution that simplifies outdoor watering for seniors. This expandable hose automatically grows to approximately 3 times its original length when water pressure is applied and retracts to a compact size afterward, eliminating the hassle of dragging heavy hoses across the yard. Its lightweight structure makes it comfortable to carry, reducing strain on hands, shoulders, and back. Built with strong 3/4-inch brass connectors, the hose attaches securely to standard outdoor taps while minimizing leaks. The durable 3750D outer fabric combined with 4 layers of latex protects the inner tube from punctures, thorns, and rough surfaces commonly found in gardens. Designed for reliability, the hose is endurance tested for thousands of uses and can withstand high water pressure and varying weather conditions. The included 8-pattern rotating nozzle adds versatility, allowing users to switch easily between gentle mist watering and powerful spray cleaning. A storage hook and carrying bag further improve convenience, helping seniors keep their garden area organized without effort. With its flexible design, durable construction, and user-friendly features, the Flexi Hose provides a comfortable watering experience that makes routine gardening tasks more comfortable and manageable for older gardeners seeking simplicity and reliability. Number 3. KETTOYA 100-Foot Garden Hose. The KETTOYA 100-Foot Garden Hose offers a modern, non-expandable design that focuses on durability and effortless handling, making it especially suitable for seniors who want a dependable yet lightweight option. Unlike expandable hoses that contract and expand repeatedly, this model maintains a consistent length while remaining flexible and easy to maneuver. Its advanced construction combines a thick nano PVC inner tube with an ultra-high-density outer layer, helping prevent internal wear while delivering long-lasting performance. The hose is significantly lighter than traditional vinyl hoses, allowing users to move freely around the garden without excessive effort. One of its standout features is the anti-kink technology, supported by 360-degree rotating connectors at both ends. These rotating fittings help prevent twisting and ensure uninterrupted water flow, reducing the frustration of stopping to untangle the hose. The leak-resistant aluminum pressing technology enhances durability while maintaining secure connections during use. With a generous 100-foot reach, it easily covers large yards, minimizing the need to reposition frequently.
The included storage strap makes carrying and organizing simple, which is particularly beneficial for older gardeners seeking convenience. Overall, the KETTOYA garden hose delivers flexibility, reliability, and comfortable usability for everyday watering tasks. Number 4. Lefree 100-foot garden hose. The Lefree 100-foot garden hose combines strength and flexibility through its upgraded stainless steel construction, offering a durable watering solution that requires minimal maintenance. Made from 304 stainless steel, this hose performs well in extreme temperatures and resists common problems such as punctures, abrasions, and even pet damage. Despite its metal build, it remains surprisingly flexible and easier to maneuver than traditional heavy rubber hoses. Seniors benefit from its kink-free spiral interlink design, which keeps water flowing smoothly without constant adjustments. The hose features universal 3/4-inch brass fittings with leak-proof rubber seals, ensuring secure connections to standard outdoor taps while preventing water waste. An upgraded protective handle sleeve improves grip and reduces strain during use. The included 10-pattern spray nozzle adds excellent versatility, allowing gentle watering for delicate plants or stronger pressure for cleaning driveways and patios. Its 100-foot length covers wide areas efficiently, reducing the need for repeated repositioning. The adjustable water pressure feature eliminates the need for continuous trigger squeezing, making watering more comfortable for users with limited hand strength. Overall, the Lefree metal garden hose provides durability, convenience, and ease of handling for long-term gardening comfort.
Number 5. J&B 75-foot garden hose. The J&B 75-foot garden hose is designed with durability and simplicity in mind, making it a practical option for seniors looking for a lightweight yet reliable watering tool. Built with strong 3/4-inch solid brass connectors and a reinforced on-off valve, the hose helps reduce leaks while maintaining steady performance during regular outdoor use. Its multi-layer latex core paired with premium 3750D fabric creates a flexible structure that resists tearing and handles everyday gardening tasks with ease. One of its most convenient features is the expandable design, allowing the hose to stretch to full length under water pressure and shrink back for compact storage when finished. Weighing under 3.5 pounds, it is easy to carry and maneuver, reducing physical strain compared to heavier traditional hoses. The kink-reducing construction helps maintain smooth water flow, minimizing interruptions during watering or cleaning activities. Whether watering plants, rinsing patios, or washing vehicles, this hose adapts comfortably to different tasks. The added lifetime warranty provides confidence in long-term performance, offering peace of mind for buyers seeking dependable equipment. Overall, the J&B garden hose delivers a balanced combination of flexibility, durability, and user-friendly handling suited for everyday garden care. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.